How's it going, everyone? And welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to remove the Google custom search from Chrome. So without further ado, let's dive right in. So let's first talk about what this exactly is. And if you guys weren't aware, this is actually a malware or virus that's tied to a Chrome extension. So this is when you go to Google or search for something and pop-ups keep appearing, like like the name suggests, pop-ups. So like redirect pop-ups that redirect you to malicious sites with spyware or even viruses, malware and whatnot. And it's just not good. So this is usually tied to an extension that you may have installed in Chrome. And the way to delete it is pretty simple and free. And I suggest that you guys do it right away, as keeping the extension any longer may actually potentially expose, or I should say, compromise your information that you have on your computer. So to remove the Google custom search bug or virus from Chrome, you simply want to navigate to the top right corner of your screen. Actually, hold on. Let me switch the view here. So this one right here, you want to click on the three dots on top, and you want to click on extensions right here, and you want to click manage extensions, as you guys can see. Now this will redirect you to a page that looks like this. And here's where you actually get to configure the settings and installation for your Chrome extensions. So if you guys have something like Google Docs installed, then you'd know what I'm talking about. So this is basically what you want to do here is you want to do a quick scan and find whichever extension seems sus to you. So anything that's not from a credible company, like let's say that their domain has a suspicious name like getfreegames.com or something, then obviously that one is a scam and is most likely to contain a virus. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the extension. So this essentially uninstalls the extension from Google Chrome and effectively removing the virus. So to give you guys a tip, most of the time, uh, extensions that come with viruses are the ones that are titled free or uh, usually ad blocks, except for the YouTube ad block. That one's legit, but most of the time, a lot of ad blockers are come with viruses, and that's probably what's causing the Google custom search to appear. So what you need to do is simply click on remove to uninstall, and you guys should be good to go. Now, what you need to do from now is restart Chrome, and everything should be working as normal. So yeah, there you guys have it. So hopefully this video help you guys out. And if it did, be sure to let us know down in the comment section below. And if you guys want to see more videos like these, we do have a YouTube channel where we do guys like these daily. So if you want to show your support that, you can do so by subscribing to the channel. So with all of that said, thank you all for watching, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.